Hey everyone, Greg Hung here, and I'm here to talk about the different pickleball ratings, 3.5, 4.0, what does it all mean? So I use the help of AI, Microsoft Copilot, to look this up. So here we go. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy this content, and follow me on my pickleball journey as I share tips and knowledge as I learn more about this growing and popular sport in North America. So here, according to the USA Pickleball Skill ratings, this is what they mean. So 1.0 to 2.0, players just starting to play pickleball, has no other sports background. They have a minimal understanding of the rules of the game. Definitely not me. 2.5 skill rating, this player has limited experience. They can sustain a short rally with players of equal ability and have the ability to keep score. So maybe that was me last year, but then my tennis skills came into play. So I quickly leveled up. Now it's, okay, here's 3.0. These players have the ability to hit a medium pace shot, but lack directional intent and consistency. They are learning proper positioning and know the fundamental rules. All right, so as a tennis player, you know, we hit cross-court shots down the line, we can lob, we can hit underspin, we can hit topspin. So I would say definitely for me, 3 or higher. 3.5 skill rating, these players have improved stroke development with a moderate level of shot control. They are starting to understand variations of pace. So pace is similar to speed, same thing, and are developing the drop shot to get to the net. Interesting. I use the drop shot when I'm very close to the net, but not in the kitchen. So the kitchen is the area quadrant that's closest to the net. So I find hitting a drop shot catches people off by surprise sometimes. 4.0 skill rating. These players consistently hit with depth and control. They have improved stroke mechanics and have moderate success at hitting a backhand consistently. They're starting to understand the block reset volley. Okay, what is that? But yeah, I could definitely hit my backhand because of my tennis background, but I would say I'm still learning the strategies and some of the finer rules, like hitting the third shot, you're not allowed to volley it, you have to let it bounce. So things like that. So anyways, I will link below to the USA Pickleball skill ratings, because it goes beyond 4.0, there's 4.5, 5, etc. And yeah, let me know what you think. What level do you think you are? And are you just showing up freestyle, which I was, but yeah, sometimes I want a competitive match, social competitive. So I find players in Vancouver, they get to know the regulars and get comfortable with them. But because it's a new sport, I find people are more open just to playing with strangers sometimes. But yeah, as you get better, you want to play with people at a certain baseline level. At least that's the way I feel. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the pickleball content. See you later. Bye.